Hello everyone. Let's talk about the major changes coming to Windows 11 in 2026. So in an effort to rebuild the user trust, Microsoft has promised to fix many of the pain points of Windows 11, and now the company is actually delivering on that promise. According to Microsoft, some of these new improvements will start rolling out through the Windows Insider program in April 2026. So let's dive into it. One of the biggest changes that is expected to roll out in 2026 is the ability to change the taskbar position on the screen. When Windows 11 first launched, the company redesigned the taskbar from scratch, omitting many of the legacy features. Since then, it's been a daily frustration for many users who had to resort to third-party tools in order to mimic the experience that existed for many years and different versions of the operating system. Microsoft is now reversing course, bringing back the ability to place the taskbar at the top, left, right, and bottom of the screen, and the operating system will also introduce an updated version of the context menu for the taskbar that will allow you to quickly dock the taskbar in the different positions. Furthermore, the company has stated that in addition to being able to alter the taskbar position, there will also be an option to make the taskbar smaller. The company is also recalibrating its approach to Copilot. Rather than continuing expanding AI integrations everywhere, Microsoft is pulling back and focusing on where it actually adds value. The decision to reduce unnecessary Copilot entry points in apps like Notepad, Photos, and snipping tools signals a more mature approach. It suggests that the company understands the difference between innovation and intrusion. However, the company remains notably silent on how AI models will continue to be implemented across the operating system, which continues to concern users who prefer to avoid any AI integrations on Windows 11 and future releases. The company also wants to reduce friction in everyday experiences. Windows Update, long a source of irritation, is being reworked to give users more control. The ability to skip updates during setup, delay installations with more flexibility, and avoid disrupted restarts may sound incremental. However, these are precisely the kinds of improvements that shape how people feel about the platform over time. File Explorer, one of the most used components on Windows 11, is also receiving significant performance improvements. In this wave of changes, Microsoft will be focusing on reducing latency and improving reliability across core tasks, including search, navigation, and file operations. Users can expect faster search results and navigation between folders, quicker context menus with less delay, improved performance when copying and moving large files, and faster launch times and overall responsiveness. The company is also dialing back the noise in areas like widgets and feeds. Instead of pushing content aggressively, the company will introduce quieter defaults and better personalizations, allowing users to decide how much of the experience they actually want. It is a subtle but important shift away from engagement-first design toward user-first control. And that's it. Right now, those are the improvements that you need to know Microsoft is planning to start testing in April 2026. However, these changes that I just mentioned are part of the beginning, as the company has also outlined the actual roadmap for 2026 that includes even more changes that will focus on 3 areas, including performance, reliability, and what is called craft. Now, for example, as part of the system performance, we're going to see the company throughout 2026 trying to reduce the Windows resource usage. It will improve the launch time for apps, and it's going to improve the operating system so it uses less memory. We're also going to see improvements on the UI responsiveness using the WinUI 3, and we're going to see even more changes for File Explorer. That includes improvements to make the application launch faster, improvements on search, and better performance when working with files. We're also going to see improvements in performance for the Windows subsystem for Linux. Microsoft is also trying to improve reliability in the operating system and is going to be working to improve the Windows Insider program. And this means cleaner feature visibility per release, easier channel switching, higher quality builds, and stronger feedback loops. Also, there's going to be reliability changes at the operating system level, drivers, and apps. This means fewer operating system level crashes, better driver quality, more stable apps, more reliable Bluetooth connections, fewer USB crashes, better printer connectivity, more reliable camera and audio, and more consistent device wake. Now, for Windows app reliability, we can expect to see single monthly reboots for most users, more control over update timing, faster, more reliable updates, clear progress indicator, and built-in recovery if something goes wrong. And finally, for Windows Hello, we're going to see more reliable face recognition, faster and more dependable fingerprint sign-in, and gamepad support for pen setup on handhelds. Now, as part of the craft part of the roadmap, the company plans to improve different areas of the operating system. For example, on the Start menu and Taskbar area, we're going to see more consistent and dependable access to apps and files, more taskbar personalization, including making the taskbar smaller, more relevant recommended section in the Start menu, an option to turn off the recommended section entirely, which is actually already available in the operating system. Now, the company also talks about reducing noise and distraction, and that means quieter device setup, meaning that the company is going to streamline the setup so you can get to the desktop faster. Widgets will be more intentional by default, but less pushy. There's going to be simpler widgets fee settings and fewer notifications. For search, we can expect faster, more accurate results, clear separation between local versus web results, and consistent search across taskbar, Start menu, File Explorer, and settings. And finally, the engineering team will pay attention for deeper validation across real-world hardware, broader testing before insider release, more intentional feature rollouts, higher quality builds, and a stronger security that aligns with the Microsoft Secure Future initiative. And that's it. Let me know what you think about the changes coming in April to Windows 11, and let me know what you think about the roadmap that the company is sharing for 2026. Also, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.